failing the test. Red tie or blue tie, same strings on the stage. We the people grew weary of turning the page. No king on a throne, Romans 13 was twisted. In this republic power was always enlisted. Grand jury and militia still written in plain. Time to stand tall, no more begging again. We feel the fire in the comments, the anger online. But anger without duty is wasting our time. This is our republic, not their private domain. We enforce the Constitution, we're breaking the chains. County by county, the future begins. Tactical civics, now we step in. We the people, the solution is you. Lock-on's family, we're seeing it through. They said wait for the next one, just trust the process, while they print endless money and leave us the mess. We opened the books, read the founders' own words. Article 1, Section 8, now the truth will be heard. Bring Congress back home where the people can see. Real oversight, real accountability. This isn't left, this isn't right. This is we the people stepping into the light. This is our republic, we're drawing the line. Tactical civics, now come, now the future is mine. Every generation, lock arms and arise. The Constitution is duty placed in our lives. We the people, the solution is you. Lock arms family, we're seeing it through. Restoration starts local.